Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Lyft Lost and Found service. To use your Lyft Lost and Found service, you could follow these steps. First of all, you could go and log into your account. Then when you're logged into your account, you could go to ride history, and then you could contact your driver directly through the Lyft app or the link in your email ride receipt. You'll have 24 hours after the ride ends to do this. Or else, if you can't reach your driver or lost the phone associated with your account, you could fill out a form in the website itself. And likewise, Lyft typically charges a small fee to compensate drivers for their time. The full amount of the fees goes to the driver. And if you cannot reach to a driver or the item isn't returned, you can file a report with the Lyft support team. So this way you'll be able to use Lyft Lost and Found service. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.